Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of Breville's 3-in-1 switch and press grill sandwich maker. It comes with that what do you call it, waffle maker or something, and then you get a grill, and then you also get a waffle attachment. Now I used to have one of these separately and also a sandwich press, which I'm getting rid of, so I can actually have just one machine that would do basically all three of these things. I didn't have a waffle iron, which I was thinking of getting, and I saw this thing. I was like, this is fantastic, this thing can do all three of those things at once, and it will take much less counter space or my cupboard space. So comes in a pretty standard cardboard box. Let's open it up, have a look. What I might do is I'll bring it out of the box and show you what it looks like. Okay, so we are here. I've taken it out of the box. As you can see, you get the instructions manual, machine itself, and also a pretty nice nifty bag with all of the plates that are needed. Let's take that out of the box. So yeah, you get a nice little carry box with the, or carry pouch I would say, or a bag with the zipper. Not the best quality zipper, a little bit hard to open it up, but I guess they're gonna cheap out wherever they can. So here's all the plates. So you get your, that's just a normal flat plate. That's the grill, waffle, and that is the other waffle one on the other side. Nice. All right, well, I'm gonna take the machine apart now, and here's the machine itself. This feels like plastic. It's clearly got some sort of lock. Oh, maybe it might be this one. It says lid release. Maybe this one. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure it out. I think it's the latch that we need to press. Here we are. All right. So the build quality is actually pretty solid. It's got the lid is nice and heavy, and like I said, you can actually click it in as well. You can probably hear it. It starts like that, and you get a screen at the front. Beautiful. This looks so much nicer. It's actually really premium quality. And then I assume you can just pick these up or maybe unlock it. Yeah, so you press this button, unlock the thing, and here is the heating element on the bottom. All right, I'm just gonna peel off all the stickers and everything on it and show you what it looks like. I've just gone and switched it to a normal flat bottom, and you get a grill on the top. So if you want to do like a grill sandwich, you could do that. But I wish you had like a one just flat surface, a bit like a normal sandwich press, which unfortunately it doesn't, but that's okay. Should be fine, should be okay. All right, let's peel the sticker off if I can get it. Beautiful. It's actually, there's nothing there, you can't see until you plug it in. I'm gonna plug it in. Oh, before we do that, it's gonna ask us to remove this sticker as well. It says remove before use, which we should. I'll do that after. I don't want it to make a mess, but I'm just gonna plug it in quickly. Okay, let's turn it on. I'm gonna flick it on. Here we go. Get a nice little pulsing button. All right. So what do we do here? So this button clicks in. That'll turn it off. I should really... Oh, okay. So these are also buttons as well. So you can actually press these buttons to get whatever settings you want. You can adjust the temperature, high, low. Oh, that's pretty fancy. You can also set a type. Oh, yes. Yes. All right. And then you press this button to heat it and preheat it. Turn it off. This is fancy. I love it.